Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to say that maybe these days you have seen some people claiming that 1 plus 1 equals 3. How do they do this? In the way I'm showing now. I would like to start from 0 equals 0. Instead of the left 0, I would like to write 6 minus 6. And instead of the right one, I would like to write 9 minus 9. So both of them are equal 0, that is possible. Something which is common between those two sixes is 2. So 2 times 3 minus 3 for the left side, and something common between the 9s on the right side is 3. So 3 times 3 minus 3. But in this part, they do something wrong. You cannot cancel 3 minus 3 and 3 minus 3 to get 2 equals 3. And then they want to write it as 1 plus 1 equals 3. But it is wrong. Let me explain why. If you want to cancel out 3 minus 3 and 3 minus 3, it means that you are dividing by 0. What does that mean? Nothing. We call that undefined. To sum up, dividing by 3 minus 3 is impossible because the answer is 0. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. See you soon.